How's it going, everybody? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at providing sound clips and installing Ford Performance's Extreme Catback designed for the 2018 Mustang GT. Alright guys, this is the Ford Performance Extreme Catback designed for the 2018 Mustang GTs without the active exhaust feature. The Extreme Catback is uniquely designed and tuned to provide optimum performance for your S550. This Catback is going to produce an aggressive sound and is the loudest option in Ford Performance's Catback lineup. The piping is high quality 304 stainless steel, it's 2.5 inches in diameter, and it's mandrel-bent for a precise fit. Ford Performance engineered this Catback to be a direct fit upgrade for the 2018 coupe and convertible Mustangs. It's going to utilize the stock hangers and mounts. Ford does utilize an integral X pipe for this particular system, which further adds to the great exhaust note from this Catback. Ford even took the styling of this Catback to the next level and offers it with 3 different tip options. The tips themselves are going to be 4 inches in diameter, and it's a quad tip design, just like the factory exhaust. Currently, the 3 options available are a chrome, a black chrome, and a pretty good looking carbon fiber. Now, to install this Catback into your 2018 Mustang, you're gonna need a few tools, and a helping hand from a friend wouldn't hurt either. Some jack and jack stands and a simple socket set is all you need to get this Catback installed. All needed installation hardware will be in the box. You'll first support the car via a lift or jack stands. Remove the 2 13mm bolts securing the intermediate piping hangers to the IRS subframe. Moving to the muffler hangers, remove the upper 13mm retaining bolt. Go ahead and do this for the other side. Remove the lower 13mm retaining bolts. Our 2018 Mustang does have a SVE resonator delete X pipe installed. The removal steps are the same for anyone that still has the factory resonator. Support the piping or resonator with a jack. Loosen the nuts on the factory exhaust sleeves with a 15mm deep socket. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry back the tab on the sleeve. Lightly tap the sleeve with a hammer to move the sleeve past the small dowel on the downpipe. Support each muffler and then lift up on the muffler hangers to remove them from the body. Do the same for the front hangers. With the assistance of a friend, slide the Catback out of the 2 sleeves and then go ahead and remove it from the car. Spray some WD-40 or something equivalent onto the hanger to ease the removal process. You'll want to do this for each hanger. Transfer the front hangers to the new Catback. Ensure that the hooks on the hanger are facing toward the front of the car. Insert the smaller diameter piping on the X-pipe into the factory exhaust sleeves. Install 2 of the provided clamps over the X-pipe. Slide the designated intermediate pipe into the X-pipe and hook the hanger into the IRS. The pipe marked L will be for the driver's side, and the pipe marked R will be for the passenger side. Do the same for the other intermediate pipe. Transfer the correct muffler hangers to the new muffler. Slide one of the provided clamps over the intermediate pipe. Position the muffler over the intermediate pipe and hook the hanger back into the body. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Loosely tighten the 4 nuts on the exhaust sleeves. Position the X-pipe to intermediate pipe clamps in the correct orientation, and then loosely tighten the 15mm nuts. Reinstall the 2 13mm bolts that retain the front hanger to the IRS, and go ahead and fully tighten. Reinstall the 4 13mm bolts that retain each muffler hanger, and fully tighten those as well. Loosely tighten the 2 clamps that secure the muffler to the intermediate piping. Align each tip, and then fully tighten all clamps. Of course, you can make additional adjustments as needed. Now you want to take this time to double check your work, start the car and check for exhaust leaks, get the car on the ground, and you're all finished. Alright fellas, as far as installation time goes, you're probably going to need to set aside a few hours to get this Extreme Catback installed onto your car. Have a friend help you out to make life easier. Of course, if you don't feel like doing the work yourself, you can always run it down to your trustworthy local exhaust shop. Now let's go ahead and check out some sound clips. All in all here, guys, this Ford Performance Extreme Catback for the 2018 Mustangs is going to be for the enthusiasts out there looking for a high-quality, aggressive exhaust setup. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop lmr.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.